In today's competitive global market, and particularly within China's rapidly evolving industrial sector, the demand for flawless quality and operational efficiency has never been higher. Meet Siemens Inspekto, AI-powered visual inspection that's simple to deploy and easy to run. No AI or machine vision expertise required. Getting started with Inspekto is incredibly straightforward and delivers immediate value.
With its intuitive design, every shop floor worker can operate it. A true plug-and-play experience.
All you need is included. Simply unbox, and you are ready for the next step without delays. Mount, plug in, start. Use it as a standalone station or integrated inline or at end of line. And with an existing TIA portal integration, it fits seamlessly into your automation environment. Create a new inspection in minutes, thanks to Inspekto's pre-trained AI model. Start with 20 OK samples, and you're ready. Inspekto is built for real-world variation. It detects scratches and defects, and it can also flag anomalies, such as foreign objects or missing components. Dynamic workshop environments and changing lighting, Inspekto's self-adaptive AI handles it. Let's take a look. Shiny parts? Inspekto's anti-reflection capability helps to deliver precise inspection results, even on reflective surfaces. Inspekto means up to 10 times lower total cost of ownership. No experts needed. Deploy up to 50 times faster and get your inspection ready in less than 1 hour. Inspekto, making quality inspection easy.